uh, dealing with the water damage in the basement. So today I will show you what I diagnosed and what I am trying to do to resolve the issues. So first of all, this is a gas water heater. When I came in, it was all flooded. Also damaged my carpet, half of the basement. So first, when I came in here, I basically shut off the hot water line. I also turned off the gas, and then I was trying to diagnose what's going on. Finally found out that the tank itself is leaking. When I touch this moisture barrier, this area here, I find it's wet and water underneath. That tells me that it's the tank itself is probably rusted and leaking. So this is the discharge. So I connected a water hose and to the outdoor, and I opened this and released all the water, and that's how I try to remove all the water from here, so that when I bring in the professional, they will be able to easily replace the hot water tank here. So I found out, so this is the carpet, that half of it is got super wet underneath. So I try to remove, and I will be removing most of these carpets here and replace these carpet floor mats. They are super wet. You probably can hear the noise. And also I bought this 5 horsepower Rigid Home Depot dry wet vacuum cleaner. The reason I bought it, I already have one which is battery operated, and I think it's a 1.5 inch, but I bought this one with 120 volt AC source. The other one is a Ryobi, runs on battery. I will not be able to vacuum all the water by changing so many batteries. It will interrupt my work, so I went ahead and got this one. Was it on sale? And another reason is it has a 2.5 inch hose that will definitely help vacuum some of this wet water here. So that's a lot of work. So I'm going to first remove the carpet and also replace these floor mats, and also try to make it as dry as possible, the whole area, otherwise I'll have molds. So I have to be very careful with my end result here. So I got this Rim 50-gallon natural gas hot water tank from Home Depot. This will be replacing this unit that, after troubleshooting, I found out that it's leaking from the bottom. This is left hand side from the front is a hot water line, and this one is a cold water line. This 90-degree perpendicular valve handle position shows that the water supply line is closed. The gas line is also closed off here. That's the main gas line. So with all the connection removed, and also the water was drained from here, from this valve, and also the gas is was of course off. So with all this has been removed, also the exhaust pipe has been removed from the old tank. So now I will be taking this out and we'll be putting the new one. Hello everyone. Yesterday I replaced this natural gas 50-gallon hot water tank while doing the new installation. I was not able to do the video, but I just want to show you what has been changed and how possibly some of it were done. First thing was when putting in this new water heater tank. So this is the left hand side is the hot water line, and this is the cold supply line. So this is this was an old installation, so I just used that cold water line. I also removed this replaced this old expansion tank and put the new one there as well. I bought this $40 water heater connection kit that came with this connection and this connection pipe. Normally this will be used for cold and hot water supply line, but I used one of them for the hot supply line, and the other one was connected with the old connected with the release valve, and this one is connected and goes outside. Both of this connection I chose because they have the shark bite connection. You can easily snap into the old copper line. You don't have to do any soldering there. And also I installed a gas line with you can find this pipe for the gas line, and I used this pipe joint compound that is with PTFE labeled, that is recommended for the gas connection threads. So, and I also used the liquid soap on the side to see if there's any bubble comes up, and there's none. And I also try to smell if there's any gas. You will identify if there's a gas leakage, so it was not there as well. And also after installing, I checked if there's any water leak anywhere. It has been running for 1 day and everything seems to be very dry, so it confirms that I resolved my water leakage problem. And my water leakage problem was the reason I understood that I need to replace this this old unit with the new one, because I had water accumulating at the bottom inside of the old tank, and I could touch and feel it, and that's how I recognized my water was leaking from the bottom, and it was over 10 years old tank. So with that, This is my new installed hot water tank, and it has been running over 24 hours, and I'm happy with that. Thank you.